Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you friends? I hope you all fine and good. Today I'm back with very beautiful, very stylish crochet lady shoes designs. Guys, in this video you will see beautiful and stunning ideas of crochet shoes. So I hope you love all the designs, all the ideas. Guys, in this video I have uploaded more stylish and beautiful ideas of crochet shoes in different color and also with color contrast, and with the hope that my ideas is very useful for you. All designs are very beautiful, very attractive, so I hope you love all the designs, all the ideas, and I also hope that this collection is very useful for you. Guys, as you can see, all designs are very beautiful, very attractive, so I hope you love all the designs. If you have any knowledge about crochet work, then you can make these types of beautiful crochet shoes themselves by getting many ideas, many designs, many hints from this video. You can also make these types of beautiful crochet shoes from those people who have very knowledge about crochet work. And nowadays crochet works very trendy, so you can easily buy these types of beautiful crochet shoes from market and from any online shop. So guys, for this, just buy these videos, like the design and also color, take a screenshot and then buy it from market. All designs are very beautiful, very attractive, so I hope you love all the designs, all the ideas. These are very beautiful, very comfortable and trendy ideas. And guys, you will get many ideas, many hints from my videos, so don't miss any video and watch my videos till the end for getting beautiful and amazing ideas that I have uploaded only for you, with the hope that my ideas is very useful for you. All designs are very beautiful, very stylish, so I hope you love all the designs, all the ideas. Guys, if you're loving all the beautiful and stunning ideas of crochet shoes, so please also like my video and subscribe my channel, and also click bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get my new videos notification and you never miss any video and any collection on my channel. I always trying to bring a useful collection for you, so you can also suggest me in comment section what kind of videos would you like to see on my channel, so that I can upload my next videos according to your choice and demand also, because as I always saying that your choice is very important for me. Guys, I always trying to bring a useful collection for you, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. I need your help, so please help me, support me for sharing my videos with your friends and relatives, and especially those people who love crochet work. See you soon in the next videos with new amazing and trendy ideas, inshallah. So guys, take care of you and your family a lot. Remember me in your precious prayers. Love your parents, respect your parents, be positive, always stay connected with me, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.